In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma variables for color. By the end, you'll know how to set up color variables and apply them so your designs stay consistent and are easy to update later. First, open your Figma file. You can use any file where you want to standardize your colors. Having the file open ensures that any variable you create is saved right where you need it and can be applied immediately to the elements on your canvas. Next, head to the Assets panel and open Variables. You'll find Assets in the left sidebar. Inside, look for the Variables section. This is where Figma lets you define reusable values like colors that you can reference throughout your design. Using variables is a best practice because it keeps your project organized and makes global updates painless. Now click Create Variable and choose Color. This tells Figma you're defining a color value rather than something like a number or string. Color variables store color information in one place, so you don't have to remember hex codes or hunt through old layers to find the right shade. Give your color variable a clear, meaningful name and set the color value. Instead of naming it something like blue1, try a semantic name that reflects its purpose, such as primary brand or text muted. Good names make collaboration easier and help you quickly find the right variable later. Set the color by entering a hex code, adjusting the sliders, or using the eyedropper to pick from your canvas. You can also set opacity here if needed. With your variable created, apply it to your elements. Select the shape, text, or component you want to style. In the right-hand panel under Fill, click the color swatch. Instead of choosing a solid color, switch to variables and pick the color variable you just created. You can search by name, which is why thoughtful naming really pays off. The same approach works for strokes. If your design uses outlines, you can apply the variable to a single layer or select multiple layers at once to update them together. Here's the best part. Once elements use a color variable, any change you make to that variable updates everywhere it's used. That means when your brand color shifts or you need to tweak contrast for accessibility, you can adjust it once and instantly keep your entire file consistent. That's it. You opened your file, navigated to Assets and Variables, created a color variable, named and set its value, and applied it to your elements. Keep your variable names organized and you'll save time while keeping your designs cohesive.